Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can keep your Threads accounts private. Keep watching the video till the end to keep your Threads account private. Firstly, go ahead and open up your Threads application. The homepage of Threads application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will end up on your profile section of Threads account. Tap on two lines at the top right side of the page. On the next page, click on Privacy option. Slide the slider of Private Profile to the right side to make your Threads account private. Confirm switching off your Thread account private by clicking on OK. This is how you can keep your Threads account private quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.